Since using this intercom, our business has improved. You ask why? Of course, it's easy to use. This intercom has no distance limit. It uses the mobile network signal through the SIM card. As long as there is a signal in your local area, you can intercom. In addition, it also has a Wi-Fi module which can be connected and used. The most important thing is that its sound quality is ultra high definition. No matter where you are, you can clearly hear the other party's voice with almost no noise. It is as clear as talking face to face. It is really easy to use. Where can I buy such a good intercom? You can buy it here. Contact us quickly. Next, I will show you the details of the fuselage. If you have any questions, you can leave a message and contact us at any time. Our team will respond as soon as we see the message.